Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you more about Pi Network Phase. Before going into detail, what is Pi Network? Pi is a new cryptocurrency for and by everyday people that you can mine or earn from your phone. Cryptocurrencies are a new form of digital money that are maintained and secured by a community, instead of by governments or banks. Today, you can mine or earn Pi by helping to secure the currency and by growing Pi's trusted network. While most cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have been very hard for everyday people to use and access, Pi puts the power of cryptocurrency into the palm of your hand. Then let's get back to Pi phases. It have 3 phases. Phase 1. Design, distribution, trust graph bootstrap. The Pi server is operating as a faucet emulating the behavior of the decentralized system as it will function once it's live. During this phase, improvements in the user experience and behavior are possible and relatively easy to make compared to the stable phase of the mainnet. All minting of coins to users will be migrated to the live net once it launches. In other words, the Livenet will pre-mint in its Genesis block all account holder balances generated during Phase 1 and continue operating just like the current system, but fully decentralized. Pi is not listed on exchanges during this phase, and it is impossible to buy Pi with any other currency. Phase 2 is testnet. Before we launch the main net, the node software will be deployed on a testnet. The testnet will use the same exact trust graph as the main net, but on a testing Pi coin. Pi core team will host several nodes on the testnet, but will encourage more pioneers to start their own nodes on the testnet. In fact, in order for any node to join the main net, they are advised to begin on the testnet. The testnet will be run in parallel to the Pi emulator in Phase 1, and periodically, for example daily, the results from both systems will be compared to catch the gaps and misses of the testnet, which will allow Pi developers to propose and implement fixes. After a thorough concurrent run of both systems, testnet will reach a state where its results consistently match the emulators. At that time, when the community feels it's ready, Pi will migrate to the next phase. The last Phase 3 is mainnet, when the community feels the software is ready for production, and it has been thoroughly tested on the testnet, the official mainnet of the Pi network will be launched. An important detail is that, in the transition into the mainnet, only accounts validated to belong to distinct real individuals will be honored. After this point, the faucet and Pi network emulator of Phase 1 will be shut down and the system will continue on its own forever. Future updates to the protocol will be contributed by the Pi developer community and Pi's core team, and will be proposed by the committee. Their implementation and deployment will depend on nodes updating the mining software just like any other blockchains. No central authority will be controlling the currency, and it will be fully decentralized. Balances of fake users or duplicate users will be discarded. This is the phase when Pi can be connected to exchanges and be exchanged for other currencies. I hope you have learned something today. What are you waiting for? Join Pi Network today. This message is brought to you by Samuel Akinsoyanu.